seeds, tiny, crunchy and packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Flax seeds have been used for thousands of years as part of ancient healing traditions. And today, scientific research is exploring the medicinal effect of this amazing seed, confirming many of the benefits that ancient culture already recognized. Welcome to the fascinating world of medicinal plants. I am your host Dr. Shagufta Basim, and today we will explore flax seeds' rich nutritional profile, its science-backed health benefits, bioactive compounds, and answer the important question related to flaxseed. Are they always safe to consume? Flax seeds are packed with powerful nutrients. They are especially rich in healthy fats, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that's good for the heart health and may help fight inflammation. About 40% of the seed is oil, and most of this oil is made up of healthy unsaturated fats. Flax seeds are also a great source of dietary fiber that helps with digestion and gut health. Also, they provide high-quality plant protein, rich in amino acids like arginine, aspartic acid, and glutamic acid, which support immune health and energy production. They are also packed with important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, and contain a small amount of vitamins, including vitamin E, which act as a natural antioxidant. One special feature of flaxseed is their mucilage, a gel-like substance in the outer layer that helps with water retention and support gut health. Flax seeds come in three forms: whole, ground, and oil. Whole seed lasts the longest, up to 20 months, if stored in an airtight container. Ground flax seeds are easier to digest but spoil faster. Flaxseed oil has the highest amount of healthy fats, but it spoils quickly, especially if it is not kept in the fridge in a dark bottle. For a good balance of nutrition and shelf life, ground flax seeds are best. Just use them soon after grinding. Flaxseed is known for its many health benefits, and ongoing research continues to explore its potential. In this section, I will highlight only a few of the benefits that are well supported by scientific research and available data. Flaxseed may help lower cholesterol and improve heart health because it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and lignans. Studies have shown that eating flaxseed can reduce total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while slightly increasing HDL, our good cholesterol. One study found that after 12 weeks of eating flaxseed in cookies, people had much lower cholesterol levels. Another review of 14 studies also showed that flaxseed improved cholesterol levels, especially in people who were overweight or had high cholesterol. Whole flaxseed has been found to be more helpful for improving cholesterol levels than flaxseed oil. Flaxseed may help reduce high blood pressure. Studies show that eating 30 to 40 grams of flaxseed daily can lower blood pressure after a few weeks or months, especially in those with high blood pressure. In one study, participants saw a significant drop in both systolic and diastolic pressure after 6 months of daily flaxseed consumption. This suggests regular flaxseed intake may support heart health and reduce risk linked to high blood pressure, with the effect depending on the amount consumed. Flaxseed may help fight cancer thanks to compounds like lignans, alpha-linolenic acid, linorbidides, and antioxidants. These compounds can slow cancer cell growth, trigger cell death known as apoptosis, and prevent tumor spread. In lab studies, flaxseed lignans reduce leukemia and breast cancer cell growth without harming normal cells. Flaxseed oil also slowed cancer cell growth in a dose-dependent manner. Linorbidides showed strong effect against stomach, breast, and skin cancer cells. Flaxseed compounds may even enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy drugs. These results are promising, but they mostly come from lab studies. So more human research is needed to fully understand how flaxseed might help in cancer prevention or treatment. Eating flaxseed regularly may help lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, especially in people with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Flaxseed can reduce fasting blood glucose and improve insulin resistance when taken daily for several weeks. Smaller portions spread throughout the day may work better than one large dose. To fully understand its effect on insulin levels, more research is needed. Flax seeds and its oil help fight inflammation. thanks to antioxidants like lignans, phenolic acid, and vitamin E. In a study with dialysis patient, flaxseed oil lowered key inflammation markers after 8 weeks. Another study found that it reduced inflammation in lab and animal models by blocking pathways linked to inflammatory diseases. These findings suggest flaxseed could be a helpful natural option for managing inflammation. Flaxseed may help women manage hormones and ease menopause symptoms thanks to lignans, plant compounds that act like weak estrogens. In one study, just 15 grams of ground flaxseed daily for 7 weeks improved hormone balance and raised levels of protective estrogens. Other studies found that flaxseed reduced hot flashes and improved overall menopause symptoms without affecting the uterus or vaginal lining. Even 5 grams a day made a difference in quality of life. For men, the results are not very clear. One small study on cancer patients suggested flaxseed might lower testosterone, while others showed no change. More research is needed in humans to confirm the effect of flaxseed on testosterone levels in men. However, it's been observed that flaxseed may help improve sperm quality and motility. I always recommend consulting a doctor before making any major dietary changes. Flaxseed is rich in fiber and support digestion in several ways. It helps relieve constipation by softening stool and increasing bowel movements. The soluble fiber feed good gut bacteria and may reduce gut inflammation. It may also help with weight control by increasing fat excretion. Flaxseed may help reduce mental tiredness, especially in children and teens with excess weight. In one study, just 20 grams a day improved mental energy in 4 weeks. Another study in women with depression found that flaxseed oil boosted brain health markers and eased symptoms. Flaxseed oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acid, may improve skin hydration, smoothness, and reduce sensitivity. People who took flaxseed oil capsule for 12 weeks saw noticeable improvement in skin texture and moisture levels. Another study showed it may help with wound healing by reducing the size of foot ulcers in people with diabetes. Flax seeds can be incorporated into a variety of nutritious food products, making them healthier and more attractive to consumers. Flax seeds are healthy, but they also contain natural compounds that can cause problems if eaten in large amounts. These include phytic acid, protease inhibitors, and cyanogenic glycosides, which can release a small amount of cyanide during digestion. However, the amount released from normal intake is very low and usually not harmful. Cooking or roasting flax seeds help reduce these compounds. Eating flax seeds in moderate amount is safe and healthy for most people. The recommended daily intake of flax seed varies depending on the individual health need and goals. Generally, consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons, about 10 to 20 grams of ground flax seed per day is considered safe and beneficial for most people. Always check with a healthcare provider if you have any concern, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication. Flaxseed, a small yet powerful superfood, is packed with health benefits. Regular consumption can help improve cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It also supports the prevention of type 2 diabetes and is known for its cancer-fighting properties. Flaxseed can also promote skin health, alleviate menopausal symptoms, and ease constipation. To get the most from it, consume freshly ground flax seeds. Affordable and versatile, flaxseed is an excellent addition to any diet, offering a natural way to enhance overall health and well-being. Incorporating it into your daily routine can help you unlock its full potential. In this video, I shared research-backed facts related to flaxseed. If you found it informative and valuable, please like and subscribe. It helped me reach more people like you. Stay healthy and keep exploring the power of nature.